welcome to our channel. My name is Varshith Gowda and I am your accounts faculty. I am here to review your Jan 2026 Advanced Accounting paper. Okay. So yeah, I went through the paper. Just to tell the review in one liner paper was easy. No doubt about it, paper was easy. Because as I went through the question paper, I did not find any question which is very new, any adjustments which is very new. No, very. In fact, I did not find any. Okay, everything is what we have already solved before. Okay, so everything was simple, including MCQs. Some of the students told me that yeah, MCQ was a little tricky, but I feel even the MCQ part was actually easy. It was all from the known resources only. It was all from the problems that we had previously solved. So I think this time's Jan 2026 accounts paper was easy. But I also came to know from many students that they told me that the paper was lengthy. So yeah, I'll agree that paper was lengthy because this pattern I observed. Whenever the paper is easy, they try to make it lengthy. But those who have practiced, like how we have told in an academy, minimum three times if you have solved everything, then I don't think you'll be facing the problem of time also. So one review, easy and lengthy paper. Okay. So of course you don't know that trend is there where in one group one paper will be bounced from ICICI. Correct? One paper paper accounts that paper is not accounts that I can 100% guarantee to you. Okay, because it's pretty simple, very nice, easy to score. I like this paper, student friendly paper. Okay, so let's go through once roughly and let's understand what questions have come from which part, all that. Let's go through once. Okay, come on. First one was a MCQ where they have tested AS, your favorite AS 21, correct? So they have tested, AS 23 because it's about investment in associate. Okay, so they have tested your AS 23 again. Very pretty simple question. They have given the cost of investment and they have also given pre-acquisition dividend. So from the cost of investment, you have to subtract the pre-acquisition dividend and whatever post-acquisition profit you have, in that you have to take the investor company share and add it. You get the figure as on 31/3/2025. Very simple. Then you had a question from interim financial report AS 25. Again, we have done this kind of problem also where we find out that weighted average rate for the entire year and that we apply each quarter. Same problem we had done, same thing repeated. Then your favorite AS 22, yet again a very simple question. And also, these are the things which we are already solved. Same problems, depreciation as per accounting 32, unamortized preliminary expenses, same thing. And penalty imposed by GST department. So penalty is permanent difference because it is once disallowed, forever disallowed. Correct? Correct. So this is permanent difference. So these three are of course timing difference only, so you have to appropriately prepare. Same thing, we have done similar problems. I think similar is not the word, we have done same problems. Okay. Then again we have your question from AS9, again here, simple one. Then AS18, most of the students, what they do, they always ignore this disclosure based standards, okay, because like AS17, AS18, AS24, because they think that they are but guys, very simple question. Again, so please don't ignore this presentation and disclosure based standards. Very scoring. Also, one time, if you see your September 2025 paper, there is first MCQ question which is from segment reporting only. Okay, AS17. 4 questions has come. First case study. Oh my God, easy 8 marks. You can check your September 25 paper. Again, from the presentation and disclosure based standard. Okay, easy scoring. Don't ignore that. Aram se can get marks. Again, 2 marks. Then again, favorite case scenario 2, it's entirely about your AS3. Those who know AS3 even in a normal manner, not even 100%, if you know 50-60% also, around say how much? 8 marks pocket, easy lemon squeezy guys, seriously. If you know AS3, full AS3, around say 8 marks. Again, next level paper. Then your case scenario 3, here what they tested, here they have tested your AS11, here they have tested your I think this is your AS18, they are talking about relationship. Then they have tested your AS2, and what is this? I think they are testing AS18. That's why AS21, 23, 27, something. One of the two, okay? Again, AS22, around segmentaries. Same thing, same similar problem. We have discussed, okay, variable overheads. They have also given about fixed production overheads. You know what to do, fix it. Actual capacity, standard capacity, again, same things guys. So then you have a question from AS29, again, AS16. Then you have something from AS14 also. Then a question from AS16, then a question from AS14, again very simple. So again, first question is from AS16, it's a template question, it's there. We have solved this question in the class also, same thing, you find it's 50 lakh is a specific loan, these are general borrowings, find weighted average rate, this is the utilization. Same thing guys, same thing we have done. Out of the 4 things they have told that furniture was directly purchased, hence it's not a qualifying asset, same thing. Okay, again not a big deal. Second one is what I like. They have tested from AS15. Generally, question from AS15 is very rare. Okay, but here they have tested for 4 marks. Okay, the same question we have it in study material only, 10 point, even the rate is 10.25% only. Same thing, study material, copy, paste, nothing different. Okay, same, it is there in study material. Same, even the rate is same. This is the expected rate from the plan assets, same thing. Then you have question from AS20 EPS. Again, no other extra adjustments here, no other boxes. A very straight, simple question. We have solved this in question. In our classes also. Then you have here this thing, internal reconstruction. First of all, internal reconstruction is very easy to score. Even there, they have given question same from our IC material. You remember that in our IC material we have this question, shear surrender. We have this question. Same thing. From there only they have given here. Again, not a full bouncer or same question, same adjustments, nothing new bouncers here. Then you have question 3a. Question 3a again is from buyback guys, again buyback. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. How many marks? 7 marks easy. What you have to do? 3 tests are there. Share outstanding test, resource test and debt equity test. 3 tests we do and we find out what is the maximum buyback permitted by the law. Same questions. I think even we have done the same numbers also. Okay, same question, nothing. No other crazy adjustments. Again, chill. Then you have question from AS13, which is your investment. Again, no other bouncers and all. Similar questions we have done. Right shares. What are the right shares allotted? 2/3 yes. Took up and remaining yes announced. That will go to P&L. Similar questions we have done. Then fourth one is your favorite. What is it? Amalgamation. Again, same thing. No other bouncers here, in my opinion. Okay, everything we have discussed. See, to be treated as actual liability in trade payables. Correct? So this is liability taken over. You have to consider in your net assets calculation. Same thing, man. Inventory is taken over at a higher value. Debtors they are given because of mutual owings. Similar problem we have done. No doubt about it. Again, AS14. And the amalgamation basically from module 3. Super chill. Then we have question number 5, which is consolidation. Again, consolidation is a very easy question. Okay, So there's a pre-acquisition dividend, and again, date of acquisition is beginning of the year. That day only they have acquired. I mean, that day only they have declared dividend. That means entire dividend is pre-acquisition. What will we do? We'll add back, reduce it from pre-reserves, and also it will be reduced from cost of investment. Same problem we have done. This they have given for unrealized profit, and this information they have given for mutual loans. Debentures, MN Limited holds 280 in RP. So mutual loans you have to knock it off. We have discussed in the class. Again, see, 4 marks. What is initial disclosure information of AS24? Now those who ignore theory, around theory last 4 marks. Such an easy question. You know, initial disclosure. What all you are supposed to disclose? Remember? Or else, even if you don't know that, no problem at all. The last one, easy question again from AS 19 year leases. Again, no bounds. Same question we have solved in the classes also. Again, easy 4 marks. No problem about that. Then 6B will be from dividend. You know, if you don't have sufficient profits in the current year, then we give out dividend from reserves. Simply we can give we had 3 conditions. Remember our previous 3 years average dividend rate. It should not exceed previous 3 years average dividend rate, all that. 3 conditions were there, we had solved. Again, easy question. Then they have asked for branch accounts. Again, they have asked dependent branch stock and debtors method. There are no other crazy adjustments. Everything is within what we had solved. Okay. Again, easy. It is the transfer is made at invoice price. You have to remove the loading, all that. Same problem we have done. So, in my opinion, guys, no doubt that this paper is a Chumbeshwar paper. Very easy. Those I generally tell in my class that before going to the exam sheet or revised thrice, and I think those who have revised twice at least also would have cracked this paper next level. So it's an easy paper. Thanks ICAI for making a simple paper that tested normally. So in my opinion, again, as a conclusion, what I would like to say is, my analysis is this paper was easy and lengthy. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ I would end my review. So yeah, now that you are watching your video, what I would suggest is please focus on the next exam, because this exam was easy. There is no bouncer here. There are chances the next exams there will be bouncers. So what I recommend is please get ready for those exams, okay, and focus on that. Later you come back, and if you really want the answer, if you want me to solve answers for these questions, okay, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll sit with you and I will solve this question paper for you. Okay, but right now focus on other subjects. All the best. Okay, shabash. Again, I'll see you in the next video, in a video which helps you guys for your academics, especially CA. Till then, bye. See you in the next one, guys.